This is how you can get your pictures from looking like this to looking like this with just one prompt. Alright, let's quickly get into it. You open up to Google, head over to the search bar, and you're going to search for arena.ai. This is a lab where you can get access to image generating AI for free. So take note of that. Once you get in, you can choose any of the modes, or we're going to go for side-by-side mode. And we're going to be comparing our models. So we're going to be working with Gemini, that is nano-banana 2, and ChatGPT 1.5 high fidelity. These are the two models we're going to be working with for this project. You can choose every other model, but this one we're going to work with. And we're going to add our image. We're going to be uploading our reference image. The next step is to input our magic prompt. So you go over to the description and input this particular prompt. A professional executive headshot of me wearing a tailored navy blazers, shot on Sony A7III with 85mm f/1.4 lens. Classic 3-point lighting, soft key light, creating gentle shadow that define the jawline. Subtle rim light separating the subject from a clean dark gray studio backdrop. Natural skin texture with visible pores, not airbrushed. Natural catchlights in both eyes. The fabric of the blazers show subtle wool texture. Ultra realistic 8K professional headshot. You're going to copy this particular prompt and you're going to hit generate.
A few moments later.
This is the result. This is looking so amazing. We're able to achieve this using just a prompt and a regular picture of myself, all from the comfort of our home. This is to encourage you that you can also create professional looking photos all by yourself with just a prompt. Do well to like this video, do well to share this video as well to your friends so that you guys can be able to achieve the same result that I have done. And see you on the next one.